Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can copy a message link on the Discord app for PC after the recent update. It's a simple process, but if you're new to Discord or just getting used to the updated features, this quick guide will make it super easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, head over to the chat or server where the message you want to share is located. This could be a message in a direct conversation with a friend, or it could be inside one of your server channels. Next, scroll to the message you need the link for. Now here's the part that changed with the new update. Hover your mouse over the message, and you'll notice a small set of icons appear, usually toward the upper right corner of that particular message. Among these icons, there will be 3 dots arranged vertically. That's the options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. As soon as you do, a small drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Copy Message Link. Click on it, and just like that, the link is instantly copied to your clipboard. From here, you can paste the link wherever you need it, whether that's sending it to a friend, bookmarking it in a document, or sharing it in another channel. When someone clicks on that link, it takes them directly to the message inside Discord, as long as they have permission to access that chat. This feature is really useful for referencing specific messages in longer conversations, or keeping track of important details without having to screenshot. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can go straight to the message with a single click on the link. And that's all there is to it. Just remember, open Discord, find the chat, hover over the message, click the 3 dots, and choose Copy Message Link. A quick and reliable way to share content directly on Discord. Thanks for watching.